So, I put up on Instagram that if I got 7,000 likes on my picture of me hanging my off-white Jordan 1s off my balcony, that I'd drop them off my balcony from the 18th floor. Seemed like a great idea, but now it looks like we're gonna hit 7,000 likes, and I'm freaking out a little bit. If you guys wanna see me drop them off the balcony though, head over to my Instagram, hit the like button. I don't know why I do things like this. Ben's downstairs in the gym right now working out, and I thought we would hit him with a little bit of a surprise right now. It is like his dream to be a YouTuber, and he really aspires to do stuff like I do. I'd hope he'd be able to achieve more than I've been able to achieve on YouTube if he really puts his mind to it, and I know it's something he really, really wants, and he is so close to 1,000 subscribers. I think he's around 20 or 30 subscribers away from 1,000 subscribers. So while he's downstairs in the gym, I figured we'd give him a little bit of surprise. He doesn't know this is happening. I'm gonna put his link at the top line of the description, and I'd love for the next time he looks at his channel for him to be at 1,000 subscribers. I think that would be absolutely amazing. So you guys go do the work, go check out his videos. They're amazingly edited. I find them very entertaining. Let's get him to 1,000 subscribers. Hey guys, what is up? How is everyone doing today? What are you doing? Well, I hope all of you guys are having a great day. Ben's feeling good apparently. So last night I was at a basketball gym watching some basketball, and my buddy Alden, the world's most famous Champ Sports employee, was at the gym, and he said, "Tom, what's the next time you guys are coming through the mall?" And I was like, "Well, Alden, when's the next time you're working? Because I always want to see the world's most famous Champ Sports employee in action." And he told us that he was working today, so we just sort of decided to come through the mall. There's really no reason for being here. Maybe I'll pick up a pair of shoes. Should I pick up a pair of shoes?
When do you not?
This is a good point. Maybe I'll pick up a pair of shoes. This is honestly sort of amazing to see the Jordan 11 Jeters. They're still sitting here at Champ Sports. I know they sold out pretty much everywhere, and they sold it online, and there's a restock a little while ago. I don't think they go for that much resale, but the fact that they're just sitting at the mall is crazy. I personally think these are a really bad colorway of the Jordan 11. If it wasn't the whole Jeter respect colorway theme, then I don't think a lot of people would be interested in these. I just don't think it's a well done shoe. It's just blue suede, and if it wasn't like a super limited PE high top prior to releasing the low top, I don't think that many people would really care about it. But in other news, speaking of stuff I do care about, the Jordan Futures are back in action. These are like 2013 when I was really getting into sneakers, and I hold some fond memories with the Jordan Futures. I had a few pairs back in the day, sold them, but they have some really nice colorways here. I might have to pick up a pair down the road. Also, I think I found the best thing in the store. Champion flip-flop slides, whatever you want to call them. They're $50, but these things are amazing. I might have to buy a pair. I'm gonna admit I've been slacking on the release dates of sneakers, and I just saw all the flu game merchandise out there, and it reminded me that the flu games are coming out. Or the last shots, I'm so sorry, the last shots. And I asked what day they were coming out, and he went and checked the list, and he said they're coming out on a Thursday, and I was super confused. I'm like, why are they releasing a classic pair of Jordans on a Thursday? And then I remembered June 14th is the day that Michael Jordan hit the last shot. And I just think that's freaking cool that they're releasing the pair of shoes on the same day, like 2018. How many years? I don't know. 20 years, I think. 20 years to the day that he hit the last shot, they're releasing the last shots. I think that's really, really cool. In other news, Alden wasn't actually working there, so I don't know why the heck he told me to come to the mall today. Really no purpose of showing up. Ben did a whole bunch of shopping for protein powder.
Yep.
But Alden wasn't there, so really no purpose of showing up.
Hello, Tom's viewers. I am going to get tongue swole this summer. I doubt it.
2 new acquisitions today. So I stopped by the house, my dad's house, and picked up a couple more things today. There was a package that came that I ordered. I still don't know how to ship packages to the condo here, so I'm sort of lost on that. And then I picked up a pair of shoes that I decided I want to keep in the collection. It is a pair of Jordan 1s. We'll get to this one later. I sliced it open already just to make sure it was actually my package and I didn't take something from my dad or my brother or something like that. These things are so nice. The Sale Jordan 1s. I still haven't worn them. I don't know how. These released last summer and such a freaking nice pair of shoes. They didn't sell out. They didn't have any resale value. They weren't super hyped up, but just in terms of how nice these freaking things look, like, come on, you cannot get better than this. It's just all off-white Sale on a Jordan 1, and you guys know how I feel about my Jordan 1s. I freaking love them. I haven't bought a pair in a while, and I was happy to bring this one over, add it to the collection. I maybe can fit another 3 or 4 pairs of shoes in my closet, and that's gonna be it for all the shoes that I have over here. And then if I want to buy a new pair of shoes to add it to the collection, I'm gonna have to sell another pair of shoes, and that's just how it's gonna be from here on out, which I'm honestly excited about. It might sound like it sucks. You're like, oh, you have to sell your shoes if you want to buy new ones. For me, it's sort of freeing. It doesn't weigh you down with a whole bunch of material things. So the Jordan 1 Sales, something I am very, very happy to have. Now this right here, this right here, I am so excited about. Now, I love doing YouTube videos for many, many reasons. It's given me opportunities to travel the world. It's given me opportunities to meet some of my best friends. Ben is freaking staying with me for 2 months this summer, and I met him because I do YouTube videos. Seth, awesome dude. Name Brand, awesome dude. Tony D2 Wild, the list goes on. I meet awesome people that do YouTube videos, but often I meet people that don't do YouTube videos that are still just as awesome of people, and this shoe comes from one of those guys. He hooked me up with the deal of a century because he knows how much I like this shoe, and he asked if I would want a second pair in my collection. Now, I've bought this shoe multiple times. I think this is the 3rd or 4th pair that I've had in my possession throughout the course of time, except I've always sold my duplicate pairs. I've kept my one pair, I've sold my duplicate pairs, but this man hit me up and he's like, dude, I've worn these a few times, I can give them to you for $200 plus shipping. What do you say? And I was like, are you kidding me? I 100% say yes. So I decided to take him up on the offer of purchasing this pair of shoes, another pair of Jordan 1s. This guy lives in Toronto. I think he's a longtime viewer of the channel. I've actually met him twice in Toronto. An amazing guy. These are good condition too, dude. Wow, the midsole's a little bit scuffed up, a little bit of creasing, but I'm gonna, wow. $200 for these, 200 US for this pair of shoes. Wow, these look superb. He was like, dude, I want to hook you up with a good price. Let's do 200 plus shipping and you could call it a deal. And I was like, are you serious? And he said, yeah. So, wow. The Jordan 1 Bread, the Jordan 1 Band, this is the 2016 pair. I love this shoe so much, and I'm always hesitant to wear them more than I do because it's one of my favorite shoes and I want them to look fresh. I want to be able to pull them out on a special occasion and just break some necks with them. I honestly don't wear sneakers that often to sort of impress or break necks or stunt a little bit. This is one of the ones I do. When I put these on, you know I'm going somewhere special. You know I'm feeling in a mood. You know I'm feeling myself. Wow. I love this pair of kicks so much. I'm so happy. Thank you, dude. You know who you are. I don't want to put your IG on blast and get a whole bunch of 12-year-olds hitting you up. But I really, really appreciate this so much. Woo! Do you guys have these? Let me know. Do you guys have these down in the comment section below? Do you have this pair of shoes? And if so, is it not one of the nicest pairs of shoes ever? Like, the leather is so good. It just smells like premium leather. Still has the extra laces and everything. Here's the white pair of laces, maybe the red. I think there's a red pair of laces that is supposed to, oh, we got the red pair of laces too. Both of them still unlaced. Wow. I am so happy to have this pair of shoes in my collection. And we got another pair of Jordan 1s adding it in here too, so I have a double up on these now. I also have a double up on the metallic white Jordan 1s. I also have a double up on the Royal Jordan 1s, although I think I'm gonna sell my second pair of the Royals because I still haven't worn my first pair of the Royals, and those have been out for like 16 months by now. These are great. These are seriously just a great looking pair of shoes, and I'm very happy I was able to add these into my collection, guys. These actually fit perfectly with the theme of the next few shoes I'm going to be picking up as well, with that weird stutter that I just have. I don't know what was going on there. But the Last Shot 14s is probably the next pair of shoes I'm going to pick up, which is black and red. unless I can somehow manage to get the Cactus Jack 4s. I'm gonna be trying my best with those. But the black and red theme is definitely something you're gonna be seeing a lot in June with a few pairs of shoes I wanna pick up. These are just so nice. I'm super happy I was able to get these. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate all of you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are the best people on earth. I'm gonna be posting a brand new video tomorrow. Gonna be trying out something different. I will see you then. Love you guys. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Tom Stefani. Giveaway at 41,000 followers on Instagram. Love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.